Are you the type who loves to clean? Some people are passionate about cleaning and are always ready to fight any little dirt they find with their sponges and soap. Are you like this? Or are you part of that relaxed group that doesn't obsess over every little detail? Did you know that the secret of good cleaning is how frequently we maintain our house and kitchen utensils? This way, we create habits that help us use our time more effectively, knowing that everything is perfect. Some of these habits are cleaning your chopping board. You surely have a board to chop vegetables and even meat, don't you? Without proper cleaning, this utensil can put all of your family in danger. The best practice is to have a different board for each type of food and use bactericide soap and hot water to sanitize it and remove all food residues. Another important step is to dry the boards very well, as humidity allows the proliferation of microorganisms. However, besides this superficial cleaning, you should also do a deep sanitation with salt and lemon to eliminate all bacteria that may still be on the board surface. Leave all ingredients acting for 5 minutes. Then remove the excess with a paper towel. Don't forget to change your boards whenever they have imperfections or cracks that hinder cleaning. Wooden spoons and bowls. Wood is a very porous material that absorbs lots of substances, like food residues and humidity. These utensils should be cleaned immediately after use and must be completely dry before being put back in their cabinets. This is the only way to avoid food contamination and bacteria proliferation. Cleaning cloths and kitchen sponges. Did you know that areas where we store or prepared food have more bacteria and fecal contamination than anywhere else in your house? More than 75% of sponges and dishcloths have Salmonella, E. coli, and fecal matter, compared to 9% found in bathroom sinks. Isn't it curious? However, dishcloths and sponges require special treatment. Leave your sponges in boiling water for 2 minutes, or put them for 2 minutes in the microwave every 2 days. This is enough to eliminate any bacteria on their surface. If you do this trick, you will only need to change your sponges after they start deteriorating. For dishcloths, it is recommended to wash them weekly, unless it has touched raw meat. In this case, wash it immediately. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Fridge. This is where we put all kinds of foods, which then have to share a small ecosystem. So it is necessary to organize foods according to their type to avoid cross-contamination. It is estimated that a deep cleaning 4 times a year, combined with weekly maintenance, is enough to keep your fridge sanitized. Blender. That's another kitchen utensil that participates in cross-contamination. Residues can get stuck in the blender, which asks for a good cleaning with antibacterial dish soap and water whenever it gets used. After 3 or 4 uses, do a deep cleaning with vinegar and dish soap to prevent bad smells. Put the vinegar and dish soap in the blender and blend for 5 minutes. After that, rinse with water and wait until completely dry. According to experts, it is important to clean these items frequently to ensure your house is healthy. If you do it already, share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.